Affiliate marketing. Okay. So let's get into affiliate marketing. So for the people that don't know what affiliate marketing is, let me quickly explain it to you. So basically, a business is offering a product to someone and they want to advertise it. So they offer you commission to advertise it for them. So every time you get them a sale, you get commission of that exact exact sale. You're not going to be selling scales unless you've doing some weird affiliate program that might not be legal. So yeah, let's scrap that. For the affiliate marketers, this is a method to increase your conversions, because a lot of people, when they get some affiliate program, they just get a link and they use that link to send it straight to the person, and they use so many different ways to drive traffic to other people. The way to get better conversions is to create a sales funnel or an offer page beforehand. Now, what I like to use for this is ClickFunnels. Now, we're going to get into an example funnel that I made just in a minute, and I'll leave a link to the template down below. You can go and sign up to it now. Probably what's best is I'll tell you more in a bit, but probably what's best is I'll leave a link down in the description below. You click on that link, it'll send you through, and then feel free to send me a message on Instagram, either at madabout_media or at Ronan Dwardy. I'll put them both on the screen here. Remind myself to do it in the edit. And yeah, you can go and get a free template. So this is a little bit of a bonus video. And if you stay to the end, I'll give you a free ebook on 5 ways to make money online. How does that sound? Sounds brilliant. So yeah, let's get into how to actually do this. So you want an affiliate program first. Now there's many ways to actually find an affiliate program. You can type into Google the best affiliate programs and you'll get a list of different ones through, and probably there's hundreds on there, and you can figure out the best ones. Even ClickFunnels, the one we're talking about, has an affiliate program as well. So you can obviously go to ClickFunnels, get a membership with ClickFunnels and promote their services as well. So that's a bonus. So yeah, that's a good one, and you get recurring commission from that one, which is literally like $40, up to $40 from one sale every month. Amazing. Not up to, I think it's like the lowest part is like $35, $40, something along those lines. You get that money every month, which is you get 10 people signed up, 100 people signed up. You can tell, do you know what I mean, the amount of money you're going to get. So you're going to find some affiliate programs to sign up to. If you can't find any from that, go on to clickbank.com, find an offer that has a high amount of gravity. Okay, so once you've got your offer, obviously the example I'm going to be using for this one is CBD MD, which is just a CBD company and basically just does different bundles. And the example I'm going to show you is what I've done to CBD MD to be able to increase conversions. Because at first you send a link to different people, or you run some ads to it, or whatever you're doing to actually promote it. And at first you get sent to just an order page, just like the catalogue of the online store. Don't know why I struggle so much to say that then, but yeah, you go to the catalogue of the online store and it doesn't really tell people to buy this, buy that. You don't really have something directly going to you going, you've got to go this way, you got to go that way. It's more like just, you just shop around and try and find what you want. The purpose of sales funnels though is to direct the customer, direct the traffic into a customer. So we'll get into the example right now and explain the benefits of it and how you can use something similar. So let's get to that. Now, here is the example page. So, as you can see, very, 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 very simple. What it is basically a little background, an image of the different products CBD MD does, and then just some benefits of it. Okay, so the best CBD bundles for you, made out of hemp straight from the USA, non-GMO growth for all plants. Most people will be like, what's that mean? Non-GMO is basically, it's not genetically, Jesus, I can't get any words out there. Genetically modified. It's not been genetically modified, and it's been third-party lab tested. Just first straight away, it's people will be like, oh, I don't know if this is safe, don't know. The people are a bit skeptical, especially with CBD, as it's a new thing. And obviously, they do pet products and everything else like that. And it's just like, oh, I don't know. And then you basically just go, okay, well, don't worry about kill your worries straight away, and then yeah. So obviously pet products, you've got premium products, and you've got capsules, the drops, and everything else like that. Then obviously, because there's so many CBD products out there, highlighting what makes CBD MD oil different to everyone else, and then there's a little bit about what it can do. It can relieve joint pain, can help you go to sleep easier, everything else like that. And then it talks about how it's better than any other company. It's committed to offering the best and the superior CBD products to our customers. Exactly. And then yeah, it's just a bit of filler content, a bit of copy there. And then obviously you got some. This is, by the way, this isn't like the best quality product template ever. It's just something that was quickly thrown together to increase conversions, and it works. So doesn't, you know what I mean? Obviously I can probably optimize this a lot more with ClickFunnels as well. There's something you can actually split test different pages. So one thing I could do is create different copies of this page and then put them together, and basically people get sent through and you randomly get sent to each other split test, and whatever split test works the best, then you know is the winner for you. Okay, so I got this image CBDMD with the what's it called, just different images from CBDMD, and the social proof as well. You want to get social proof. One thing I struggled to find was actual reviews from other celebrities that have used it. Now, if you can do that to get social proof in as well, so like just whatever product it might be, it doesn't have to be CBD. Maybe you're doing it about ClickFunnels, for example. You can then use a testimonial from one of ClickFunnels to put it into your funnel. But to be fair, ClickFunnels have their own funnels anyway, which you can use, which are better. But I'm just saying, for example, get a testimonial from someone who's used a product, maybe someone that people know. So this is why I've chose Michael Bisping and Jorge Masvidal, which are they're sponsored by CBDMD. Now, I wanted to get some sort of testimonial, but there isn't many public testimonials that I've managed to find. So, but if you can find it, then you can. But for the social proof, what I've used instead is just an image of Michael Bisping and Jorge Masvidal. And I've just put a thing here, get 10% off on certain products when you order now. And then there's obviously a little countdown, a 15-minute countdown. This is, you click on settings, and I'll show you in a minute, 40 minutes for 57 it is. And then grab your CBD bundles now, relieve pain naturally, relieve anxiety, and basically you just have these green buttons everywhere. So what I'll quickly do is I'll show you the example to it dead quick. And honestly, this didn't take me long to do. I used another existing template and just made this completely straight away. And what you do is you go onto here and you go, all right, grab your CBD bundles now, click onto it, and it sends you through. Please check back on it. Oh, we're down for scheduled meetings. I thought my affiliate link was broken, and I was like, no. But yeah, that's all it is. You got the little countdown here. Makes the sense of urgency for people. Like, oh, we've got to click it now. Yeah, that's pretty much all it is. So if you click on the link in the description below, you can get your template for this right now, and you can sign up. Obviously, if this doesn't send you through to the template, then make sure you DM me, like I said before, and I'll send you across the template. Also, you're looking for that free ebook, ain't you? I know, I can see it in your eyes. Click on the description below, it's hidden a bit. So just basically look for, click here to get your free ebook. Click that link, you can sign up, put in your email, and you can read everything online for free. 5 ways to make money online. Amazing, amazing ebook. Right, that is everything today. So thank you all for watching this video. Leave a like if you've enjoyed, and also comment below what more videos do you want to learn about making money online. What more do you want to learn about it, so I can know what you guys want, and then I can basically start creating more content towards that. So yeah, thank you again for watching. Subscribe for more money making online content and just how to better your life in general. Thank you all for watching.